You decide. Today it's your day. I've already cost us too much today.
Consider it your anniversary present.
I'll take everything that comes to me for free. But is there such a thing? Are you getting those?
Ma lo potevi fare anche prima, lo potevi aspettare quando andavamo a casa.
That was from this one. It's like Hong Kong.
These are the flowers we have on our balcony.
Oh, those look nice.
Well, those we have on our balcony.
So our balcony is going to look like that then.
Well, if they survive this week without us, which is doubtful. This takes you to the beach, actually, and this takes you to the...
You want to take it?
No, upstairs. I'm quite tired today, to be honest.
Okay.
It's nightmares about not being cold. Yeah, it's quite rotational dreams. Look how empty. Have you ever seen this road so empty?
Early in the morning.
Catching beer here on the left.
Yeah. Happy feet.
15.
You see the happy feet.
Dile 95 también. ha volado. Mira, ya me ha roto media vajilla. Digo, pues es que cuando me vaya a esta casa le voy a tener que comer al hombre dos vasillas, que tú te las vas a cargar.
Have to. Oh, they're doing work still.
It's going to be a new place. Replacing these lines with something more colorful.
Innovation is always a good thing. It's you want to sit here?
There's no
Shades.
Я Марс, слушай.
It's definitely much quieter. Maybe it's calm before the storm.
Yeah. So the 1st of July, and everything it will be from busier and busier until you leave. I think that's my guess.
It shows green though, so it's safe to there's people up there.
Remember, we once went on the pier and we found nothing but toilet paper and food.
Yeah. Humans.
Yes.
Sometimes we think that. Are we going?
It says here leaves Michael something. I guess that's that homeless guy, what? Ici libre Michael.
I love Michael.
Ah, ich liebe. It's in German.
That's the first words some German girls taught me on a train.
Did you say
Yeah.
and did you say liebe?
They're making full of me. I had taken a train actually from Paris to Liège last week. And they were continuing to Germany. And at the time, of course, I was much younger. Somebody's sleeping. We've got some shades. The Rojas. right, you walk. To the right, you walk.
Now we have to climb further.
You can go to the right if you want to climb softer. To a casino, get some cash there, and go sit at Monica's. Your friends